Hey there, it's Kelly Griffin Porter. I want to talk to you today about swimming pools. Do swimming pools add value to the price of your home? I'm going to tell you all about it. A pool definitely adds value to your property. A pool is in a large number of search criteria, like 85%. However, from an appraiser standpoint, the appraiser can't say things like, that pool added $10,000 or that pool added $20,000. There's no set number of what that pool actually does for you, but what it does do is it gets you more eyes on your property, more people in your home to look at it, and if it's a numbers game like it always is, then you're going to get an offer faster than a home without a pool. Reach out to me if you have any questions about your property, the value of your property, how long it'll take to sell your property. 602-739-5060. I can't wait to help you.